Hare Krishna, my name is Krishna Prema Pradayakadas. I'm from Malaysia. So last year on June, I came to Vrindavan Institute of Higher Education in Vrindavan to pursue my Bhakti Shastri. So it was about 4.5 month course. Why I chose VIHE? Because actually I did partially Bhakti Shastri even before coming to VIHE. I was doing in a different institute, but I was doing online. So because it was during the COVID time, so I was doing online and somehow I did not felt like I really studied. So then I decided to do on-site. And while I was searching through somehow, I like Vrindavan a lot. So therefore I decided, okay, let me go to VIHE. Then I enrolled to VIHE and came in June here. And this session started very nicely. That first we had classes on Sanskrit, basics of Sanskrit. And then it started off with Isopanishad. And we learned a lot of things in very detailed depth here. Especially I remember that when I was studying for Nectar of Devotion, the class was taught by Anuradha Mataji. So we also have like Nectar of Devotion, which is the study summary by Prabhupada, and we also had the main text at the same time, Waves of Devotion. So we was learning in a very different perspective. Like we see what is the actual text and how Prabhupada actually gave us the essence from there. In such a way we actually learn. And even in Sarvabhauma Prabhu's class during the chapter 13 of Bhagavad Gita, Prabhu was also showing different commentaries of Acharyas, especially Baladev Vidyabhushan and Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. So while I'm learning in VIHE, actually we had so much of depth in learning scriptures. Beyond Prabhupada's books, we also was looking into like what different Acharyas actually given and how Prabhupada actually consolidated that teachings, and actually he is giving the essence for us to understand. Like very easily he is actually explaining such a complicated teachings. So besides that, actually in VIHE we can also find that it's not just about coming to class, examination, essays, but we have a lot of fun activities. We go to different places in Vrindavan and we have festivals like Rupotsav, Janmashtami, Radhashtami, and we have Harinams around Vrindavan area. So it was actually a fun-filled session in Vrindavan Institute of Higher Education. You feel like home, and I came back today. After 8 months I'm coming back to Vrindavan today to collect my Bhakti Shastri certificates and to meet all the devotees in VIHE. And I really feel like the moment I came to Vrindavan, like VIHE, I feel like okay, I'm home, because I was living in the ashram while I was studying here. So whoever out there, if you are thinking of a place to go to study, if you want to do a Bhakti Shastri, you all should come to VIHE, because this place gives you not just Sastric knowledge, but it gives you beyond this. And therefore, I will tell that you all must come here at least once in a lifetime. Hare Krishna.